y'all, it's your girl Ashley, and today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this Halloween Joker 2019 look. Last year I did the Chelsea smile and I only did that for work, not for video, so now I can finally do it. If you want to get this look, stay tuned. Also, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and press that red subscribe button down below. So the photo that I'm going to be using as inspo for my look is an actual screenshot from the movie. If you guys can see it, actually, I'm just going to put it right here. It is a photo of the actor with the Joker makeup. So as you guys can see, he leaves his skin around his face, like his skin color, and he just paints the white kind of messy. So I'm going to try to stick to that. So, with my trusty makeup kit from Value Village, this is a high-end makeup store, just kidding, it's Value Village. Liquid latex destroys your brushes, so if you can find some cheap brushes, cheap sponges, whatever you can throw away afterwards, because you are not going to recover that brush whatsoever. I'm going to put everything that I'm using in this video in the description box below. So first, if you have oily skin like me, you should put on some primer. This is to help slow down the oils from ruining your makeup. So I'm just going to put on some Smashbox Photo Finish primer. So I'm not putting primer on this portion right here where I'll be putting the liquid latex because I want the liquid latex to stick to my skin as good as possible. So now for the fun part. So once you have finished applying the layers of liquid latex and cotton or tissue, let it dry, and once it's dry we are able to start putting on the makeup. So for the white makeup, I'm going to be using the Ben Nye Clown White. We are going to take a clean makeup sponge and I'm just going to take some of that makeup and start putting it on my face. I am not going to make it too white. I'm going to make it even a little bit splotchy where it's not perfect, because that is what the Joker does. So now I'm going to set the white with some Ben Nye Neutral Set. This is a translucent powder. I don't have a flat surface, so I'm putting it on my mirror and it looks questionable. So now we're going to do the blue triangles around the eyes. I'm going to be using a mix of blue face paint. This is some that I got from a theater store, because I felt like that would be the brightest as well as last the longest. So I'm just putting the blue color onto this palette. And I'm going to draw the triangles on my eyes, and I'm going to try to blend in my eyebrows as much as I can. I'm actually kind of using a stippling effect on the sides to make it less perfect. You should also look at the ingredients of these face paints and make sure you're not allergic to them, because that could be dangerous, especially if you're putting it close to your eyes. So now I'm going to do the red eyebrows on top of the forehead. I'm going to be using the red face paint this time. The Joker's eyebrows are very tiny and kind of messy, so we are going to do that. I'm going to try to bring the brush down a little bit just to drag that color and make it look more messy. There we go. Yes. Same thing, very small eyebrows. So we also have to do my nose red. For the red setting powder, I'm going to be using the red Ochre from Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So for the blue, I'm going to be setting it with some Backstage from Colourpop, and I'm also going to put this on my eyelids. Okay, so now we are going to work on the smile. This is the part I've been waiting for, y'all. So we're going to take some eyebrow scissors because these are pretty small and you likely won't hurt yourself using these. You could, but you likely won't. Something that might help you is if you outline the smile first. So I'm just going to lightly shape out what I want to cut. That's the shape I want to do, so now I'm going to cut it. Be very careful, do not cut yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of split this open so that I have a gash. Be very gentle, again, you don't want to rip off the latex. You can also lightly tug on it a little bit to stretch it out. So now that we got that going on, we are going to start goring it up. Okay, so I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance palette again and use that red ochre color right here because it is just so darn close to looking like dry blood. And we are going to put that inside here. It doesn't matter if I get it on the outside too because it kind of looks like dry blood. And then I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Stunna paint in Uncensored. Oh my god, I got paint all over my hands. I'm going to put it on top of the wound and shape out that Joker shape. And then we'll add the blood around it. So first I'm going to do the shape of my lips and then we will build off of that. So now that I got it all pretty on my lips, I'm going to draw this out. So from here I'm going to be taking some Scab Blood. This is Scab Blood. Looks like a scab. I'm just going to take this little handy spatula that came with my makeup applicator kit from Value Village and scoop out some of that Scab Blood. Just right inside here. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's disgusting. Just fill that up like you're filling a hole in the wall with spackle. So I am going to add some to my eyebrow too. I just decided that right now. I think it'll look pretty cool. I want to show you guys how creepy this looks. Okay, so now I'm going to draw this side with the face paint and the lipstick. So, just like with the eyebrows, I'm going to take the brush and just make this a little imperfect. So I just want to mess up the blue eye makeup a little bit more because I realize it's not as smeared as it could be. So I'm just going to take some blue paint and smear that out. So now I'm going to attempt the dripping blood. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to get too messy. Just a little bit. I think I'll put it right inside here. So I took a sponge to mess up the top edge as well. I don't want any straight lines, so I pushed the paint upwards to make it have a little bit of a messy effect. Okay, so we are done with the creepy makeup. I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of mascara and a touch of eyeliner. Also for this look, I'm using JC Luxury Lashes in Riri. These lashes are so easy to put on. So I will be right back with the finished look. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out my video. If you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram at itsyourgirlashley. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you on my next video. Bye!